my channel. So I am going to be starting a new vlog series. You guys know I've been vlogging a lot more than like doing sit down videos, and I just enjoy vlogging and taking you guys on my day or like just talking to you guys. So yeah, life with Jazz. So this morning I'm headed to the chiropractor. I don't know if I ever even told you guys a story about my car accident that was in December. It was crazy. Thank God that it wasn't like worse. So that's where I'm headed, and I wanted to give you guys a quick little update. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm feeling a little fancy today because I'm drinking tea instead of coffee. I really love coffee, and I'm not going to give coffee up, but I think I will kind of like try to alternate out, you know, coffee and tea. And coffee really isn't good for you as much as tea, so y'all know. But I'm a coffee girl for sure. I like tea too, but I'm a coffee girl. So I'm gonna head to my appointment, and then I'll catch you guys after.
Your place is my place now. My place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places.
So today, well tonight, I'm headed to my sister's house. We're having a little girls' night, you know, a little girls' night. Sleepover for like a Galentine's Day, basically, is what it is. Today, I didn't do much. Well, actually, I did a lot. So today, I had to take my son to his game. And that was at 9 o'clock. So, y'all, we got up for the game. I left early so I could get to something to eat. And my son left his jersey at home, so we had to go back. That was annoying. So we were a little bit late for the game. And then I just realized out the blue that I needed to go to the post office. Well, I realized that the post office was open on Saturdays. It just skipped my mind. They stay open till noon. So I was like, okay, it's 11:20. Let me hurry up and get to the post office. It's about 15 minutes away. But the problem was I left my paperwork. I had to get my P.O. box because I launched my business on Monday, you guys. So I'm so excited yet nervous at the same time. So I had to get a P.O. box, of course, so that you guys don't know my address when you guys get a package from me. But I left my paperwork on my desk at work in my office. So that's 15 minutes from me. The post office is 15 minutes from me, but it's on opposite sides of town. So by the time I got to my office, I had like literally 10 minutes to get to the post office. So I was so frustrated. I was just like, oh my God. And I've just been feeling so overwhelmed and stuff already. So I'm just like, okay, I'll just go on Monday. I have an appointment at the chiropractor every Monday. I go to the chiropractor 3 times a week as well, just FYI. Yeah, so when I go to the chiropractor, I'll just stop by the post office on Monday. And we launching, you guys. We're launching Monday at noon. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have the link in the description box. By the time you guys see this video, actually, I will already have been launched my site. But I'll put the description and everything in the description box, like the website and everything. Make sure you guys are subscribing to my newsletter so that you don't miss out on like new styles and all of that stuff, new products. So yeah, right now I'm headed to my sister's house. I'm actually going to go pick up my best friend. And yeah, I'm gonna vlog a little bit, you know, for you guys. I'm excited. I need a break. My mom is at my house. I need this night. My husband is gone. He's on a guy's trip. So you thought I was gonna stay at home? No.
Yeah, look how cute. A little cute little setup, intimate for us girls. So yeah, me and we're gonna get out of the game. I'm gonna see the girls. We're still with the one girl. Shout out to their mom.
Oh yeah, Aaron was telling me it was.
Y'all, we're here. Say hi. This is Bestie. Sis over here, y'all can't see her. Hey. We're still waiting on. Yeah, hold on, y'all, so we can show y'all. Twinkies. We're still waiting. We're still waiting on one girl. She's slow. She's like, I guess she's gonna be fashionably late. Always. But we're eating. Sis is cooking. Yeah, we're gonna have fun, play games. Y'all can finally see my bestie. We gotta do a hold on. She said I'm gonna need y'all to take the camera off me now. We gotta film a never have I ever, or would I rather video together. So comment down below if y'all wanna see that with her.
No, we could probably do.
I don't want to do it on camera. But anyways, I'll vlog some more a little bit throughout the night, y'all. Like I said earlier, I don't want to like ruin the moment of fun. So yeah, we'll see. And then pulling it back out, but I got this blanket on me. Oh, you're not on there.
What we all got? We gotta get on that.
Come on, focus. Focus on me. Okay, you guys. I wanted to show you guys Trisha. She been here. I was gonna say she just got here, but
Like 2 or 3 hours ago.
we're a little tipsy. I'm dead. What's up, you guys? Mason had a good game. Today is Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try to start vlogging this weekend because I haven't vlogged in a while. So today we're doing a little mama's day out with these kids. So Mason we just left his basketball game. Mason, how'd you guys do?
Good.
What was the score?
14-5.
They played really good today. Like Mason missed practice this week because he had. I'm gonna need y'all to not do that.
I would disappear this
People that can't drive irritate me. Mason had to miss practice because the stomach bug was going around, so I was a little worried. But we played a really, really good game today. So now I have a little treat, for them, for Mason.
Yeah. Me too.
So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to vlog. Make sure you guys like this video, thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Mason, sit back. There's a wait time of like 25-30 minutes. So
My phone turned on.
we don't have nothing to do anyways, so we're just gonna wait for a second. I am rocking my brand today, you guys. Make sure you shop So Curly on this fine day, whatever day it is that you guys are seeing this video. I'll have it on the screen and down in the description box. It's www.shopsocurly.com. Lily, tell them.
Shopsocurly.com, period.
Shop So Curly.
No,
I'm gonna have the leopard print hat that is lined with satin, and I have black and olive green as well. I have a few deliveries to make for today.
Like a turkey.
I have 3 deliveries to make,
Did
but
you open the rooftop?
yeah, so that's what we're doing today.
Yay.
I'm hungry, and they have one of my favorite salads at Texas Roadhouse, so I'm excited.
Just because you want to diet doesn't mean you
I'm excited.
have
I'm
to
not.
get a diet.
I'm not on a diet. I eat whatever I want to eat.
That's what you
I
said.
just really, really, really love their salad.
That's what you say, though.
So yeah, we're gonna wait, and then hopefully we don't have to. Hopefully it's a lot quicker than they say.
Mom, I play my chicken.
Mason, don't eat it like that. Hey, put 1 fork up. Oh my god. The cheese. She's trying celery for the first time. Nuh-uh. You don't like it?
That's trifling.
Mason eats it.
Wait, that's trifling.
You gonna try it?
I don't think